Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. So today we'll be cooking up Mexican shredded beef, also known as beef barbacoa. It is really delicious, and you can use it for tacos, on top of rice bowls and burritos, so many uses. And it's just full of flavor with three different chilies, the Gaujillos, the Anchos, and of course the Chipotle chilies in adobo. So let's go ahead and head to the boat and get started.
This is another recipe that has quite a few ingredients, but it's about building the depth of flavors, and it's so worth it. It all starts with the chilies. I use Gaujillo, Ancho, and as you'll see later, Chipotle chilies. Each offers a different flavor. But first we need to take the stems off and deseed them. The next step is toasting the dried chilies. This releases those essential oils and increases the flavor. This looks good. I'll put them in a bowl and add hot water to rehydrate them. I'll use about a cup of hot water here. Alright, let's set this aside for a bit. The next step are the aromatics, onions and garlic. Okay, let's saute these until the onions are nice and soft and translucent. Great, now I'm going to take these aromatics and the reconstituted chilies and blend them. I'm also adding the water because it has so much flavor. Now it's time to sear the chuck roast, but before I do that, let's salt and pepper them. The pot is hot, the oil is shimmering, so let's sear this meat. What a wonderful sound. Alright, these are beautifully browned. This will add a lot of flavor to the meat. Next, I'm going to add some cumin and some dried oregano to the hot oil and allow it to bloom. Next, these chipotles. These add such a wonderful smoky flavor to the dish. I like to use 3 of them, which makes it a little bit spicier. If you don't like it as spicy, just add 2. Now we'll deglaze our pot here and scrape up all those yummy bits. Okay, let's add the meat back now, and we'll also add some beef stock. The lime juice is really great for adding brightness to the dish. There we go. Let's cover this up and let it simmer for a good 4 hours. This is coming along nicely. Let's just give it a good stir here, and oh, I just love this aroma. Well, it's been 4 hours, so let's check this meat and see how tender it is. Ah, look at that. It shreds so easily. Let's continue to shred the rest of the meat. This just smells so good. Now you want to save this fat because it's so good for frying up potatoes and other things. And we're done. I think I'm going to make myself some delicious tacos now.
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.